Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Galaxy S25 Plus from Samsung with a cracked display, and this is a big boy. Needs a big boy repair. So let's go. So we have here functioning screen still. The touchscreen is working, but it's got a very bad crack in the middle. So it's got lines across and along the length of the smartphone, so we have to replace it. We're going to remove the housing as well. So it's going to be a combo housing plus display. And look at this. It looks like busted up robot, so it's gonna stay there for the rest of the repair, and it could be the mascot for Sydney CBD Repair Centre. So we're gonna remove the back cover on this one. Back cover is in pretty good condition. Actually, the smartphone is in good condition. It looks like it's the first time it's been opened. Got the factory seal, adhesive strips, and all the insides are very clean, relatively clean. So we're going to remove everything. We have our Samsung Galaxy expert here in the shop, so it's gonna be a quick one. Anything Samsung is a quick one for us. Even foldable smartphones. You want the foldable smartphone repair? You want a new display for your flip or fold? Go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Got you. So like what I've said, we're gonna remove the display with the housing, so it's gonna be a combo. We're gonna replace the housing and the display, and it's the fastest way and the safest way to repair the display. Although you can still use the frame with the aluminum frame, we want to give the best service for the client. These are quality parts that we have in store for this display, for this smartphone. And look at this, we got everything out of the frame itself. So going to remove the final piece, which is the front camera, and this is our replacement display. It's a different color, I know, but when it comes to functionality, it's not gonna really matter. It's gonna still be the same, just the color that's changing. We have all the adhesive strips, so it's brand new. And once we are done with this repair, it's gonna look brand new up front. The back cover looks in good condition, so it's still gonna be good. Get the daughter board here. We're gonna install it. There you go. So everything just gets transplanted into this new house. It's like a new house for the components. We haven't really tested if the display is good or not, so we'll find it out at the end of the video. Front camera is still not taken out. Need to be very careful. So it's sealed, so to keep dust off the front camera. And the shroud for it is installed. And I'm gonna put the wireless charging NFC module, and we're almost done. So if you have an S25 Plus or any flagship iPhones, Asus ROG phones, and even foldable smartphones, head on to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We have the best repair tech in the business. We have David here ready to fix your smartphone. And look at this. You can just literally just wait in the shop while we fix your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. You need new battery as well. We have stocks of batteries even on older smartphone models. So you don't have to buy a brand new smartphone. You can consult with us and we'll see if we can help you out refresh your smartphone. We can even do a screen replacement and a battery replacement on the same smartphone. So we're just gonna test this out now. It seems not booting up, but it might need a few moments with the charger. Let the smartphone initialize. And there you go. There you go. It's booting up. And look at that. A different color. Samsung S25 Plus. If that's what you're aiming for, you want to change the color of the housing, you can do so. And there you go. Brand new. It looks brand new, but not brand new. See that? That's David there. Thanks, David. And thanks for the mascot that we have there in the corner. Thanks for looking after us. Everything works flawlessly. Gonna put our liquid adhesive for the back. And we are out of here. Thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week. And if this one helps you in your DIY quest for repairing your smartphone, then it's good. Good luck to you. And we'll show you the before and after. Again, thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.